splendid looking good exponential equation. I know you will love it. By the end of this class, you enjoy, and I know you will love it as well. So it is given as 3 power of x plus 9 power of x equal to 27 power of x. Now we can express this in the base of 3 as well. So first we are going to consider is to write this in their same basis, so that we can have 3 power of x. This is already exists in base of 3. So we are going to have 3 power of x plus 3 power of 2 is 9. Times this x, we are going to have 2x equal to 3 power of 3 is 27. Multiplied by x, we have 3x. But let's interchange the power, because the law says that you have a power of b or raised power of what c can also be expressed as a power of c or raised b. This is true for this. So let's apply this principle of indices or law of indices in solving this equation. So we are going to have 3 power of x plus 3 power of x all square equal to 3 power of x or 3 power of 3. So that we can see that let me say y equal to 3 power of x. So anyway, you see 3 power of x, replace that with y. So we are going to have y plus y square equal to y cube. Now, this is a polynomial equation. Now, if you imply the law of, if you use quadratic formula, I think it can be solved, or it may not. But I'm not going to solve this due to time factor and also the space I'm managing this board. So if you solve this, the first value of y will be equal to 0. Y will be equal to what? 0. And also y will be equal to 1 minus the root of 5 over 2. And also y will be equal to 1 plus the root of 5 over 2. Alright. Now let's plug in this answer into the established equation that we have. Okay, so remember it is said y equal to 3 power of x, so that we can get the value of x from where we have gotten our y. Okay, so we are going to have, remember, let's set this to be equal to this, the first value. So we are going to have 3 power of x equal to 1 minus the root of 5 over 2. But here you can see that x is not the set of real numbers because of this minus sign. So let's ignore this particular sign, this particular value. Let's focus on plus. Okay, so remember we said that 3 power of x is equal to 1 plus the root of 5 over 2. So to solve for the value of x, what we are going to do is, let's take the log of both sides in base of 3. So this implies that the log of 3 power of x base of 3 equal to the log of 1 plus root of 5 over 2 base of 3. Now, there's a lot of indices that is established that if you do have, let me clean this place and show you that particular law. If you have the log of a base a